Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you what you'll be able to do to get your first $14 per everybody you invite. Yes, you heard me clear. I've got a lot of comments whereby some persons will be like, oh Sonia, is it true that when I invite any individual, I am going to be getting $14? Yes, it is very true. But before we go into that, so this is the earnings that I have today. And the good part I love about POPPO is this that you can transfer to your local bank account. And for those ones asking me, let me use the opportunity to also show you that if you want to change your bank account, you can see that place that I change. You can change it to either ePay, bind it USDT if it's Binance you want to use. But for me, I prefer my local bank account so that it will be very, very easy for me. To some other persons that have upgraded their phone, they have a Payoneer option that you can also withdraw to Payoneer. Okay, so with all of that being said, let's just go back so that I'll show you how you can make $14 per any invite that you invite anybody on POPPO. Okay, so POPPO is another app that you can actually live stream and make money. If you've not been hearing what I've been discussing or saying about POPPO, you can also check out my videos so that you can enjoy lots of goodies coming from POPPO. Okay, and if you're just coming in and this is the first time you're hearing about POPPO, you've not registered on POPPO, please do well to check the description box. I'll be dropping my link there. You can also click and register with my link. That is just the little thank you can also give me. Okay, so with no further ado, let's just head straight into how you can make $14 with just by inviting people on POPPO. Okay, so now this is the invite link. So let me click on the invite. First thing, if you don't know how to invite, once you click on that invite on your profile, the next thing you're going to do is to click on invite now. So once you click on invite now, it's going to pop up like this, and then you can click on copy. Okay, so that you can just copy. Okay, you can also share directly if you want to share, but I prefer you to copy and then paste the link for anybody that you want to send to. For my own self, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box, so do well to register through my link if you've not registered. Okay, so you can see it here. The first thing is invite someone and you can earn up to $14. The more you invite, the more reward you will get. So there are some rules here first that I will advise you to check so that you will know how the $14 will work. Okay, but before we come back there, Sonia, have you been inviting? Yes, Sonia has invited over 154 persons, and I have claimed more than this 150 reward I are seeing, because this is just showing for the last 7 days. Okay, so and this 115,000 coins that you're seeing here is automatically $15, but I've claimed more than this $15. So now let's click on this rule side so that you can see what it is for you to invite and how POPPO is going to give you all of that reward. Here you can see invite friends to register. Friends can download for the first time through the link you shared. When the app completes the registration, the invitation can be successful. Okay, this is how to invite. Then how to earn reward. If the invitee completes face authentication and the following tasks, you will receive corresponding reward notes. The new host only counts 3 hours of live broadcast every day. So now this is how the $14 is going to come to your table. For this tax, and you can see the reward, invite host to broadcast for 3 hours within 7 days. This one is simply telling you that if I invite Jessica, for example, and Jessica is able to go live that same day, okay, or within that period of 7 days, she perform her 3 hours live stream, you are going to be getting 10,000 coins, and of which 10,000 coins is $1. Then if invite host to broadcast for 5 hours within 7 days, within that same 7 days period, if Jessica perform her reward and meet up to the 5 hours, in every task that you're doing, you're using 2 hours, okay, which is one for your live stream and one for your tax sitting on the crown seat. You are also within that 7 days, you're also going to get another 10,000 coins. Then you can see the third one here. Invite host to broadcast for 8 hours within that same 7 days. Okay. And one good part I love about this, the accounting, is they don't say, oh, once you finish the 3 hours, we're starting the counting again from number one. No, it doesn't work like that. As you're doing the 3 hours already added to your 5 hours, and then it's added to your 8 hours within that same 7 days, you are also going to receive another 10,000 coins. Then the fourth one, you can see invite host to broadcast for 12 hours within that 7 days. And then you're going to be getting 30,000 coins. That is to say, 1, 10, 20, 30, you're already getting 60,000 coins, which is automatically $6 for you inviting. Then here, now this is another option for you. Invite host income reach 20. If the host withdraw the first $20, okay, their first $20, even if it's 10, they get to withdraw within 30 days. And you can see that they say does not include platform reward. You're going to get another 10,000 coins. Invite host income reach $50 within 30 days. Okay, if the host is able to get the first $20, you're going to be getting 10,000 coins. If the host is able to get $50, you're going to also get 20,000 coins, okay, which is $2 as well. Then if the host is able, which is other, invite host earnings reach $100 within 30 days, and you can see the does not include platform reward, you're also going to get 20,000 coins. And then the last one here, they said invite hosts to earn reach $200 within 30 days, does not include platform reward. You are going to get what? 30,000 coins. So in getting all of the 30,000 coins, which is 10, 20, 30 plus 30, that's 60, plus this, that's 70, plus 20, that's 80, 90, plus 20, that's 100, 110, and then plus 30, that is the $14 that POPPO is going to pay you per invite. Okay, so don't think that if they are not performing their reward, you are also going to be getting. No, 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 no. But this is the good part I love about invite. So for this 154 people that I have been able to invite, some persons, yes, have performed their tasks very well. Some persons have not also performed their tasks very well, and in all of these I still get to make something. So if you have anybody that you know that you want to invite to the platform, feel free to invite that person to the platform. After all, at the end of the day, everybody is going to be making money. The person you're inviting is going to be making money, and you also, you are going to be making money. I hope for those one asking me questions, I hope you guys are really, really clear about this. And for those ones saying, oh, is POPPO reward real? Is POPPO reward real? Are they really paying? Yes, POPPO is paying. I have a lot of record here that I've withdrawn and I've showed you guys. You guys can see it here and the rest of that. So you don't need to wait for the opportunity to pass you by. Look for other means of getting small means of income. And yes, I hope this video is able to help anyone out there. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And with no further ado, I'd like always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll repeat it. It is very important. Turn on the notification bell. Click on that one that is showing all. Okay. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I love you. Mwah.